had no idea what we were about to drive into when we drove into Nashville. It was absolutely insane.
There are very few cars on the road right now. They're rescuing people right now from that gas station that we were at. So this is pretty wild. There's a little kid right there. And man. To get gas. And what is it, 10 o'clock, babe?
Yeah.
This gas station?
It's been completely packed since 9 o'clock last night.
Yeah. Here we are, and this is one of the only gas stations that's open. Oh my gosh. What?
That DQ is well underwater. That's the most underwater building I've seen yet.
That's flooding in from there. It's coming in from underneath the system. So like, holy crap.
Yeah, there's trucks that are lost.
No
Completely
way.
Lost. Cars completely under.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my, you've got, look at all this damage here. These are all, it's like a storage facility.
This is so bad.
You gotta give that a hand.
No way. We were literally just there at that Sheets. That is nuts. I've never in my life seen any.
South on 26, like 20 miles.
Yeah.
Like to the airport.
Yes,
My
yeah,
friend was
yeah, I
in
heard
Europe.
that.
Down that in like near the Biltmore
Biltmore,
state.
yeah.
Just completely screwed. We lost water this morning because of contamination. So
Oh my gosh.
yeah, the power guys were saying it'd be at least a few days at best.
Every single power line on every street for 20 miles is gone.
It's not
I
rated.
just to drive here, I probably drove over like 300 power lines.
What?
Yeah.
Where'd you drive in from?
3 miles from here.
3 miles that way?
Yeah.
Oh my. You can see behind me right here. All of these trees are down. This is just a street off the main drag where people live in Asheville. It's messed up.